Hello guys, welcome back to ESL classes. In the previous video, I talked about spotlight effect. I simply defined the term and asked you to avoid it to begin your journey of learning English. But there are certain situations in your life, such as when you have to give a presentation, when you have to address a large assembly, and when you have to face an interview. In all these situations, you cannot avoid the spotlight effect. You have to be under it. So, when suppose if you're addressing a large assembly for the first time, so there's a funny feeling inside your stomach. This is called having the butterflies in your stomach. So, today I'll teach you how to treat these butterflies and how to gain confidence to be under spotlight effect. So let's start the video.
Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to ESL classes.
So the first tips is grounding and relaxing. This does miracle. So I'll suggest you, if you have an event tomorrow, if you are going to address a large assembly tomorrow, please keep your mobile aside before 24 hours and instead scrolling the mobile and playing the video game and checking the emails, you should sit quietly. This is called grounding. And you should relax your shoulders. You should relax your breath and you should center your voice. Many scientists believe that our voice is just like an instrument. So the more you will practice vowel sound, the more ornamental it will be. And I think that the archer exercise is the best exercise to center your voice. So I'll suggest you to do that. And after that, you will feel the great difference in your voice. The second powerful tool is imagination, imagining and acting. So after grounding and centering your voice, you have to close your eyes and you have to think that you're going to meet an old friend of yours whose presence delights you. And if you're going to address a large assembly, you have to think that you're going to help a lot of people. Okay? So you have to bear a smile on your face. Normally, when you meet a person whom you like or love, there's a muscle around your eyes that crinkles up. This is called Duchenne smile. And this smile establish a good bonding and brain chemistry between you and the audience. Now you have to imagine that you know the 50% of the audience and what they're expecting to hear from you. This gives you a real confidence to face the large assembly. This is highly psychological and you can do it whenever you're going to address a large assembly. You shift your attention from yourself to the audience, what they want to hear from you and how can you help them. And this is one of the greatest tips to be confident under the spotlight effect. So the last tip is how to order the butterfly. Okay, how to change the butterfly into your power. So it is very common that when we go to the stage, we all have a funny feeling inside our stomach, and this is called having butterfly into the stomach. So now you need to think that this is the feeling of your power. This is the feeling of excitement. And today, since you're going to benefit a large number of people through your motivational speech, you're going to help a lot of people. So this is not a funny feeling. This is not a scary feeling. This is the feeling of your power. Your this thinking will change the butterfly into positivity. It will arrange the butterfly in order and you will convey everything very, very ornamentally. So I think that now you're ready to be under spotlight and you are now more confident, more efficient and more proficient. So I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have, please hit the like button and share my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go for it. Thanks for watching ESL classes.